Hi guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and let me show you how to change the date and time on this phone. First of all, you have to unroll the list of all apps and reach Settings. Now find and pick General Management. Here it is. And now click on Date and Time. Here you have to switch off automatic date and time in order to do it manually. And then smoothly set the date and time manually by yourself. That's it. You can also change the time zone, smoothly turn off automatic one and then select region and then time zone if available from the list. And that's it. That's how you can change date, time and also time zone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.